In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sub-questions in Google Forms. This tutorial is a great way to enhance your Google Forms interactivity and improve your data collection strategy. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open Google Forms and create a new form. You can do this by heading over to the Google Forms homepage and clicking on the blank option to start from scratch. Or if you have an existing form, go ahead and open that up. Once you've got your form loaded, you'll see the title and description section at the top. It's important to clearly describe the purpose of your form here, as it sets the context for your respondents from the outset. Now, let's add a primary question. Click on the plus button on the right-hand side to add your first question. Here, you can choose the question type from a variety of options like multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop-downs, depending on what type of response you're looking for. To make things clear, I'll use a multiple choice question. Go ahead and type in your question. For example, do you have any pets? And then list out the responses such as yes or no. After this, we'll make it dynamic by adding a sub-question that only appears based on a certain answer. So let's say you want to ask follow-up questions only if the person responds yes. To do this, hover over the question until you see 3 vertical dots appear at the bottom right corner. Click on it, and you'll see an option that says, Go to section based on answer. Select this option. You will notice that each response now has a drop-down menu next to it. For the yes response, choose the option to go to a new section. Next, we'll add this new section where your sub-question will live. On the right toolbar, click the Add Section icon. This creates a distinct section within your form where you can add further questions that are contingent on previously given answers. In this new section, add your follow-up question, which could be something like, what type of pets do you have? And then provide a suitable response format. With these steps, you now have a Google form that uses branching logic to add complexity and precision to your questionnaires. And there you have it, an intuitive way to add sub-questions in Google Forms. This feature not only makes your forms smarter, but also provides a tailored experience for your respondents. Remember to preview your form by hitting the eye icon in the upper right corner to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Once satisfied, you can send your form via email, shareable link, or embed it on your website. And that's it. With each form you create using these skills, you're streamlining your data collection with customized and meaningful interactions. Happy form creating!